My video guide is about getting rid of the pop-up windows that come from the site Smart-back.xyz. Smart-back.xyz is a deceptive pop-up that on one hand tries to redirect you to some other junk resources in the internet. On the other hand, this pop-up is also malicious because it tries to force you into clicking on the allow button. It displays pretty misleading messages that encourage people to click on the allow button, supposedly to help them continue their browsing. But when the allow button is mistakenly clicked, this automatically reveals a lot of problems. People may be redirected to some other junk and deceptive websites of a really bad reputation, and also they would start receiving the great portion of ads that are popping up in the form of push notifications. So if you have mistakenly clicked on that allow button, you would be facing these annoying ads permanently. So you should do something to deactivate these ads, and there are some manual recommendations we would like to give you. Access the menu, settings. Then when you are in the settings window, you need to select privacy and security. In privacy and security, you need to choose site settings. Scroll down to the special permissions area and choose notifications. So pay attention to the websites allowed to send notifications. When you find this malicious website, you need to remove it from the list. And don't hesitate to delete other junk sites from this list. I also recommend that you additionally research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download Combo Cleaner Antivirus using this official website, install the software, and then begin carefully researching and investigating your computer with its help. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete other possibly hidden threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.